Lyft deactivations usually happen right after repeated low ratings, document issues, or a flagged trip, and in most cases the app doesn't explain the exact trigger in detail. By the end of this, you'll know the exact reasons Lyft deactivates drivers, how to figure out what happened in your case, and the steps that actually get accounts reactivated. Lyft doesn't randomly remove drivers. There's always a system trigger behind it, even if it looks sudden on your end. First thing to check is your email and in-app messages. Lyft usually sends a notice explaining the category of the issue. It might be safety concern, terms of service violation, or document mismatch. That label matters more than anything else because it tells you what process you're dealing with. If it's a document issue, like insurance or license problems, the fix is usually straightforward. You update the expired or rejected document inside the driver app, then resubmit for review. These cases often get resolved after verification without needing an appeal. If it's a safety or behavior flag, the process is slower. Lyft typically holds the account while they review trip data and passenger reports. In that case, your next step is submitting an appeal through Lyft's help section in the app or website. Keep it short and factual. You want to explain what happened without adding extra details that confuse the review. One thing drivers miss is supporting evidence. If you have screenshots, dashcam footage, or trip receipts that prove your version of events, include them in the appeal. Lyft reviews that more seriously than long explanations. If your account shows permanently deactivated, you can still submit an appeal, but it usually means Lyft believes the violation was severe or repeated. The only real path there is a formal review request, not creating a new account, because that can cause further restrictions. Most successful reinstatements come down to timing and clarity. Fast response, clean documentation, and a direct explanation of the issue without emotional language. To recap, check the exact deactivation reason first, fix any document problems immediately, and submit a focused appeal with evidence if it's a safety-related case. If you're dealing with this right now, your next step is to open the Lyft driver app, go to Help, and submit an appeal tied to the exact notice you receive. Like and subscribe if you want more breakdowns on rideshare apps and how to avoid account issues before they happen.